Hello everyone, this is Bilal and I have web scraping experience for more than 3 years. I've been doing web scraping through Octoparse, Python scripts and much more custom solutions. And before we start this tutorial of scraping yellow pages, I will let you know that I can also do projects for you. So if you have any projects, you can contact me on my email that is shown here on the screen, and we can discuss more and do recurring projects or much more because I've done more than 500 projects. So now let's start with the video and I will show you how we can scrap yellow pages using Octopath. So before we start, we will go to Google Chrome and we will see the website at the yellow pages. And we are on this website. We can see the keyword we have chosen is contractors in Salt Lake City, UT. Okay. So this is just an example. You can use any keyword with any location combination. Okay. So now we would copy this URL and go to the Octopus screen. From here, what we will do is go here and click on custom task. Click here. Once that is done, we will paste in the URL and then click on save. Now we will see the website will be loaded here on the Octopus screen. So you can see here, we will wait until the website is loaded. Once it is loaded, then we will click on this auto detect web page data. We click on that, and what it will do, it will automatically grab all the listings here and scrap the columns that we need. Okay, so we will wait here. Okay, so now we can see we are having all the columns, so we don't need this title because we already have this name. Okay, so I will just now remove the columns that I don't need. So I will just need the title, URL, the name. I don't need the categories, but if you need, you can choose that. And I need the location, so it's I think divided into street and city with zip code. So I'll just let it stay like this. I will choose to keep the phone numbers, and I will delete these informations because I don't need that at the moment. So I need the website as well, so I will let it keep here, and I will delete the rest of the columns. So I will let this ticked. I will do not let this untick and click on create workflow. Okay. Once that is done, you will see all the columns are populated and a new workflow has been created on the right side of your screen. So I will just name the columns accordingly. So this would be website and this would be the street, and I will just let it stay as location. Now, most of the time, we guys need to go to the main page to scrape most of the data because on the main listing page, detail page, there's more listings, more elements we need. So for that, Octopus has this covered. So we click on this select subpage URL. If it's not shown, then it will be inside this bulb icon. Click on here, click on select subpage URL. Once that has been done, you will select the title URL, okay? Because we will need to go to the title of the main page. So click on confirm, and on the right side of the screen, you can see the workflow of click URLs in the loop. So it will just take us onto the detail page of yellow pages. So we will wait until the uh, main page is okay. So now you can see the main page is also there. Now if we need these details, what I have created is I have created relative XPaths here, which I will also list in the comments below, pin it, so you can use that as well. Do keep in mind these changes quite frequently because website changes its layout, so you have to keep on changing this, but this is just a starting point. So we would need the general info. Okay, so we'll copy this XPath, go to Octopath and click on this plus icon, add a step and click on extract data. Okay, and click on here, add custom field, capture data on the page. Do this and then name this column as general info and then click on confirm. You will see this has been grabbed by this XPath. Then we will do the rest. For email, we will click on this, take the full email part XPath, go ahead and capture data on the page, click on do an email. Now you can see it's not formatted correctly, so we'll right click on it, clean the data and then add a step and replace. So we don't need this, so we'll replace it with nothing, so we will have the raw email in the output preview. If I click on apply, you can see the email listed below. Now for the other links we have already I think created, but if you have not, then we can take the other link as well. So I will just take this capture data on the page and I will just name it as other link and click on confirm. Once it's also been grabbed, you would also need the social link. So I will also take this and name it as social link from here, but I will make sure to include this in the full XPath in the comment section. So be sure to check that. So social links, and I think we create this. Now this would be social links and click on confirm. Now if we right click on it, create choose custom field, customize field and click on select URL, we will have the social link as well. So we will just name it as social link. Okay. Once that has also been done, we will paste it here as social link and the URL. Now, final thing is we would need the categories. So that's up to you if you want or not, but I will include this in the comment section. So capture data and categories will be also there. Now it's only using with general contractors, but you can have more as you want. With this you can go ahead and do this one and grab more, but if it's not also been doing, I will just show you in the next video how you can grab all of these, but for now we will just do it as general contractors, okay, to start with. Now before we run the task, we click on extra data one again, click on options, click on wait before action, this is important, and then click on 2 seconds, click on apply. 2 seconds is generally fine, and then we click on loop item here to go to the main page and scroll down to see if the pagination is also working, because that is also important for us to see. Click on here and see the XPath. It's, I think the XPath is also right, so we click check it manually, click on the pagination loop item and click to paginate. So we will see the pagination is also working just fine. So yes, the pagination also working fine. We'll click it one more time to check. So yes, it's working perfectly. So we'll just name this workflow as yellow pages bot. Okay, and we will click on run and click on standard mode. So now we'll just wait and see the results. So as you can see guys, I have stopped the bot at 11 listings because I wanted to show you the results. So you can see all the results here, like 10 listings of results. So you can scale this as much as you want, and if you need any more help you can also contact me and I'll be here to help you out. So thank you for watching. Bye.